Is Forex trading a lucrative skill? Can you make money from Forex if you are flat broke? And can you start trading Forex with no money? These are some of the questions I have been asking myself lately, and I think you should do the same. I'm not trying to impose my thoughts on you, but imagine being dead broke and you have no money to trade. You can be the best trader but still be the poorest trader when you have no income stream to back your Forex mastery. Looking at the big and successful Forex traders, you and I can see that they have income streams outside Forex trading. Income streams like selling courses, selling signals, affiliate marketing, brand ambassadors, and most of them are hardcore content creators. If you and I want to achieve even a quarter of what they have achieved, then we must have a few lucrative skills aside from Forex trading. We are in a digital age and the age of opportunities, meaning you don't need to learn hard skills like bending iron. Instead, you can sell them online without an iron store with zero knowledge about how to make them. I will cut to the chase now. If you're able to learn these skills in this video as early as possible, then you can save yourself the stress of being dead broke. Hi, I'm Joshua and you are watching In From Josh. We are currently in the age of technology. Unlike the industrial age, it is very easy to sell goods and services to millions of people around the world, which brings us to the most important question: what is in demand and what do I do or learn in order to be the supplier of demand? I will talk about the top skills to learn this year, from the easiest to the hardest. What do you think is the most lucrative skill to learn currently? Graphic designing is the most underrated skill and is one of the most demanding skills online and offline. I can back my data with the fact that there are more firms and personnel looking for a good graphic designer for their brand and social media contents. We have more than 1,000 graphic design jobs posted on freelancing sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even Freelancer. What this means is that the demand is high but the supply is low, meaning it's a good time to be a graphic designer. Becoming a graphic designer is not easy because you need to be a professional when it comes to softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and more. The list is endless, but you can narrow down to a single software or application, become a pro, and start looking for clients to work for. The easiest way to look for clients is through freelancing websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can make as much as $1,000 monthly editing graphics for clients. There are thousands of people, businesses, and even firms that will pay any amount of money for you to improve their sales or engagement with a well-structured and edited video. Video production has two sides, which are shooting or making videos and video editing. These two go hand in hand because a well-structured video needs a professional and engaging edit. With the invention of more gadgets like the Apple Vision Pro, the consumption of content is most likely going to increase. Let's not go too far with the new and upcoming techs. Social media is all about content, and the best content creator gets rewarded with monetization and a good amount of paid promotion and brand deals. Content creators are compelled to hire experienced and skilled video editors, so I think getting a good knowledge of how to shoot and edit videos for professional use will be great and also boost your chances of becoming financially independent. Having a good knowledge of social media and how to earn a living in social media is very important. There's no doubt that you and I have seen a couple of recommended videos where people say they made X and X amount of money posting on TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, and even X, formerly known as Twitter. Mr. Beast made more than $250,000 from his YouTube video that he reposted on X, formerly known as Twitter. Having a good amount of knowledge about the leading social media sites like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Snapchat will give you an edge if you are looking for a new stream of income, or better still, a way to make money online. Digital marketing is linked with social media in a way because businesses are very interested in the large number of people that spend their time on the internet. That way, goods can be marketed in a targeted way to these audiences. Digital marketing includes SEM or search engine marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and influencer marketing. I won't break down and explain, but you can see that digital marketing is on demand because thousands of new products flood the market every day. It is up to the digital marketers to drive sales to this product, and they get paid a fair amount and sometimes a huge amount of money for the traffic. Tools like Google Trends help to identify the search on demand. That way you can have a pretty good idea of what people are searching for, then solve their problems or quench their needs. You might be thinking, where can I find a job after acquiring even one of these skills? For starters, you can simply create a X, formerly known as Twitter account, follow a bunch of accounts that align with what you have learned. You could do the easiest by signing up for freelance sites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where jobs are posted every hour. It will take a few days to master how to write a proposal, but if you are really good at what you do, then you will definitely land yourself a good job and make not less than 500 USD on your first month. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and also drop a comment on what skill you think is the most lucrative.